Another feature that Excel provides to help us get a better understanding on how our spreadsheet is functioning and how the formulas within the spreadsheet relate to each other is being able to show formulas. So once again, let's say you're sending a spreadsheet to someone and have them check to see if your formula is correct, or if they're sending the spreadsheet to you and you want to take a look at the formulas. Well, instead of clicking through multiple cells to see if there is a formula in that cell, what you can do is come up to the Formulas tab, and then within the Formula Auditing group, you can select Show Formulas. And if you give this button a click, now instead of our spreadsheet showing the values that our formulas produce, it's actually showing the formulas written in those cells. And this view makes it a lot easier to read the formulas and see how these formulas are referencing other cells. Now I'm going to show you another trick on how to quickly find the cells that have formulas in them. So I'm going to undo these actions, and then if you come up to the Home tab, and then click on Find and Select, and then click on Formulas, Excel automatically selects all the cells that have formulas with them. And since these cells are selected, you can give them a fill color, and now it is easily noticeable which cells have formulas in them. So there's no need to waste time and click through each cell and find the formulas. You can either show the formulas or find and select the formulas and give those cells a fill color.